Hello world, this is ML and I am back with another video vlog. But this time I'll be doing an unboxing and product review on this Nizza high shoes by Adidas. Now before I proceed, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for the shoes with my own money. Now on to the unboxing. Okay, all right. Now, once again, this is the Nizza High by Adidas. I went out and purchased size 9.5. The color is cloud white / cloud white / core black. And it's made in Vietnam. Now the addition of this is Parley or Parley. However you pronounce it is your world. Okay, before I open it, it says here, made with Parley ocean plastic. It has a message, it says here, for the oceans. Okay. Get involved, join the movement, scan this QR code to support our partner, Parley for the oceans. Okay, and then the sneaks or sneakers itself. Okay, this is it. By the way, this is just regular wax paper. Nothing special. Oh, it does. The wax paper has the Adidas emblem. There you go. See that? Adidas Parley. That's cool. All right. Okay. First impression already. Look at this. See, this is why I don't like mass-produced sneakers. Look at the flaws on this. I paid 80 bucks for this. 80 bucks. Right? I don't know if the camera picks that up, but look at the flaws. Glued. Yes. It feels light. This is rubber. I like the look though. It's the front. The back says Parley for the oceans. In between it, it has the Adidas emblem. Nizza, Adidas emblem. Rubber. Bottom, Adidas. Okay. Canvas. The shoelaces feels a little bit of sort of high end. Uh-oh. That's a no-no. See that? Come on, guys. Freshly opened, straight out of the box. And come on, you got this? Got that? Come on, that ain't cool. All white, baby. Take care of it. Okay, the sole. Okay, you have foam here. foam here, sticky, and this is foam. Parley. Okay. Okay, now the tongue, Adidas, feels like a regular linen or canvas. QR code here. It's like plastic. Canvas tongue. Everything canvas. The only thing I feel that's high end or a little bit of a high quality is the lace, the shoelace, the eyelets. Okay. Glue, glue marks here. The workmanship on this sneakers, on this mass-produced sneakers, definitely has a flaw or definitely have flaws. Look at these dented, dent, dent, glue. Come on. This is, I mean, I understand it's mass produced, but damn, I don't know. I'm gonna try it on. Okay, another labels or information labels here. It feels light though. Feels light. Nothing really special. Like I don't think it doesn't move me as far as Adidas. They made it look nice though on the website. They made it look so nice. That's why product photography is very important if you want to sell something. But I'm gonna go try it on. Okay, all right. First impression, it's okay. I mean, it's comfy because I'm not doing anything. I'm not walking, right? And it's not narrow because the sneakers are wide. Okay. Now, on the website, it says it's a casual sneakers, but it doesn't look casual. It looks more like a athletic shoes due to the fact that the back. Look at the back. Okay. But maybe it could pass for a casual sneakers, but to me, it doesn't look it. Now, you want to see a casual sneakers in my eyes? That's casual. But anyhow, it feels like more like a Converse type of feel to it. It doesn't have any cushion, in my opinion. It doesn't have any cushion support for your bottom of your feet. Okay. Well, then again, you could throw these on with a pair of black jeans or even the blue denim jeans, and I think you'll get away with it. I like the shoelaces though. The shoelaces are the bomb. Okay. But nothing special about these shoes. In my opinion. The black here, the black stripes here, I think it messed it up. It should have been all white, in my opinion. Okay, that's the side. And here it is, the sides. So, my final thoughts is a bit comfy. It gives me the high top Converse vibes. So yeah, that's my final thoughts. For 80 bucks, is it worth for 80 bucks? I'm gonna have to get back to y'all on that one. It's cool though. It's cool. If you like what I'm doing, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Any questions, leave it on the comment box. Thank you for watching. Now, once again, this is ML from Kadirs.tv. Hello, world. Bye, world. Peace.